In this video, we'll be showing you how we clean our washing machine with Affresh Washing Machine Cleaner. If you'd like to pick this up, we'll be leaving an affiliate link down in the description, meaning if you do make a purchase, we'll receive a small commission at no extra charge to you. Using this product to clean your washing machine is super simple, and they do include all the instructions on the back if you do get lost, or if you have a different type of washing machine that doesn't have the same settings as ours. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and take it out. It's going to be this little puck that is inside a individually wrapped and sealed plastic little bag. Now, it's important you don't want to actually touch the puck itself, as it does contain a lot of very harsh chemicals, and make sure you put the puck inside of the drum and not inside of the little dispenser dish. Okay, once that is done, we're going to go ahead, make sure it's all closed, power up our machine, and our washing machine has a specific clean washer mode, and you even see right there it says the Affresh brand, which is exactly what we're using. We're going to go ahead and select it to that option, and then push and hold the start button. This cycle will take about an hour and 5 minutes to complete, so we'll go ahead and get that running. A little over an hour later, our washing machine has finished that cycle, so let's open it up and take a look. Okay, inside the drum, we do see that there is some black residue around the entirety of it. Now, this is just basically grime and gunk that has come out during the cleaning cycle, so we're going to take a little paper towel, or you could use a cloth, to just wipe all of this out. You want to make sure you get it all out before you put a new load in, because you don't want any of that stuff getting onto your clothes. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, it'd mean a lot if you could hit that like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.